channel. Oh wait, this is my first ever video. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about, I don't even know. Actually, I know what we're going to be talking about, but here's the catch. The catch is I created a blog post about this in May, and I feel like talking about it on here. So we're going to head on to peasinapod.com. Really, you can't find this. Really, don't play with me. Apparently, it can't find my blog. So let's head on to peasinapod.com and check out this blog that we're going to talk about. By the way, you should check it out. This platform is everything. We have put a lot of work into it, but here we go. We're going to be talking about, as you can see, 5 side hustles to earn money during COVID-19. Like, I know that we have been all going through it. Okay, we've been going through it, and it's been very difficult. 2020 has been difficult. But I must say that I'm a graduate. Okay. That's a good thing that happened for me in 2020. Please let me know in the comments below something great that happened for you in 2020. Don't forget to smash the like button. Okay? Smash it. I need it broken. Okay? Smash the subscribe button and get me to 50K. What the heck? What I meant to say. 50 subscribers. But oh my god. Okay, that's quite funny. But what I meant was 50 subscribers, because obviously I have no subscribers yet. Anyways, the first side hustle that I wrote about in May is teaching English online. Guys, this one is a very easy way, because most of the time people don't even require you to have any sort of education. They just require you to be a fluent English speaker. It is very flexible. You can do it on your own time. You can either do full-time or part-time. You can pick your hours. You could literally be teaching kids in Korea, China, Japan, or even kids in Canada or the United States, teaching ESL. So a platform that we're going to check out today is Vipkid, which is an online platform where you can literally teach English. You literally just got to sign up. As we can see, to teach English online, earn money when and where you want. So some pros, you set your own schedule, you teach one-on-one. Oh, and you get paid. It's very simple. All you got to do is sign up, answer some basic questions. That's it. By the way, I'm not endorsed by these people. I just think it's a great platform, and you'll love it if you need some money. Another thing that you can do is create YouTube videos. I have been creating YouTube videos since I was 12. It may not have worked out as well because I'm very inconsistent, but if you can consistently do this, YouTube is a great way to have fun, make money, actually create positive impact, make people laugh, and like I'm doing right now, helping you make some money. Okay? The third thing that you can do during COVID-19 without literally leaving the comfort of your own home is virtual assisting. Girl, let me put you on. Are you a graphic designer? Are you a social media guru? Are you like a wannabe like Instagram model? Like, I don't know what you want to do, but you can check UPWORK, which I will be discussing soon as a stock pick for November. Well, November's over, so I guess December. So let's go check it out. UPWORK is great, okay? You literally can create your own job. You can get people to like hire you, whether you're creative, whether you're a writer, whether you do science, whether you're customer service, whether you do okay, whatever, engineering, you want to be a doctor, any of these, you can do this here. And it's trusted by many businesses, so this is not fraudulent at all. It is great. So how does it work? You post a job, it's free to do that, and then bids come to you. So people literally come to you to tell you what they want you to do for them. How great is that? You can collaborate with people, and the payment is really easy. Very easy to get paid. I would sign up and do all this stuff, but I don't want you guys to see my information. So yeah. Number 4, create a podcast, girl. Do you like to talk, rant? In my opinion, like I wrote here, creating a podcast is cheaper than creating YouTube videos because you do not need a camera. You do not need ring light. You don't need all those expensive things that people often need to start YouTube channels. All you need is a great pair of headphones and a mic, and you're good to go. And by the way, the biggest plus about creating a podcast, there's many podcast places. You can use Spotify, Apple Music, but the one we're gonna talk about today is Anchor. You can make podcasts on here and you can monetize them right away. So unlike YouTube, you don't have to wait years, months, okay, to make money. You don't. Anyways, it's a very pretty site. Clearly, they put a lot of work into it. It's 100% free hosting and distribution. There's no catch at all. There's no paying for anything. There's no, in-app stuff. But the weird thing about this is it's only available in the United States. So if you are outside of these places, you cannot use it. But I really like this platform. It is great. Check it out. And the last thing, you need to sell. Because I know you've got shit in your closet that you do not need, okay? You've got, what do they call all those expensive stuff? I don't do that, so I don't know. But all I know is Balenciaga, Birkin, whatever you guys spend your money on. You need to sell some of that stuff and make some money. There's many things that you can sell for close to the price of what you got it for. I'm sure you do not need over 100,000 pieces of clothing. You're not even going to 100,000 places. So sell. A great place to sell is Poshmark. Okay, we're gonna go check it out. And literally, people sell whatever. They sell Louis, Coach bags, Chanel, Michael Kors, Nike, Gucci, Apple, like Starbucks. People even sell like Fenty and Kylie stuff on here. So it is a really great place to do so. Another place you could do is sell your stuff on is Kijiji. So I'm gonna hit on there and I'm gonna literally put iPhone 8. You're gonna see that pop up. Like, look, somebody is selling an iPhone 8 for $400. So instead of going to the Apple store and buying this for $700, you can get it for $400. Look, iPhone 8, $300. iPhone XR for $500. Okay, so there's also Let Go, which I will not be showing, but it's not available in Canada anymore, but it is available in the States and all of that. You can do so. Just sell your shit because you don't need it. You don't need to floss all the time. Anyways, thank you for checking out this video. This is all, guys. This is it. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like I said before. See you in my next video. Until next time, financially savvy millennial.